Hello students, now we will discuss some examples of everyday examples of momentum. See, first they said a karate player can break a pile of tiles or a slab of ice with a single blow of his hand. How it is possible? See here, when he is taking his hand with a high speed from above upper side, when he is taking his hand with the high speed, then it means velocity is high, because we know that momentum is equal to mass into velocity. If a velocity will be high, then momentum will be also high. Due to high momentum, these all piles he can break in a very small time, in a very short time, and at the last its momentum will reduce to zero, because when at last all will break, then momentum will reduce to zero in a very small time. So that's why it can exert a large force on the pile of tiles and it can break them into smaller pieces. Next, see, they said cricket ball is not very heavy, but when it is thrown with a high speed or high velocity, it acquires a large momentum. We know that P is equal to mass into velocity. Mass is not too much high, mass is not very much. But if cricket ball we will throw with a very fast velocity, with a very high velocity, then momentum will be also large, and with large momentum that cricket ball can hurt the batsmen also. So that's why which batsmen are there, they can duck, they always duck the bouncer, which bouncer balls coming, they stop them, they will not apply shot on them. Next, see, a car or bus mass is very large of car or bus. Either car or bus moving with a slow velocity, moving at a slow speed, then also its momentum will be very high and it can hurt the person which will coming in it way. But if mass, if we know that momentum is equal to mass into velocity, velocity is less, suppose, but mass is very high of car or bus. Mass is very high of car or bus, even they are moving at less speed, then also momentum will be large, because we said that if mass is greater, then also momentum will be large. It means we can say that in the way of car or bus, if either it is moving at a slow speed, it can hurt to that person who will come in the way of this. Next, so that's why they said road accidents at high speed are very much worse than accidents at low speed. If any object moving at slow speed and other object is moving at high speed, this is at slow speed, this is at high speed, so which road accident is there, this will be very bad accident. Which vehicle is moving at high speed, if any person coming on the way of this, then it will be very bad accident than which vehicle is moving at a slow speed. So next, we will do one numerical. What is the numerical? What is the, they said, what is the momentum? We have to calculate momentum of a man of mass 75 kg when he walks with the uniform velocity of 2 meter per second. So beta, they said what is the momentum, means P we have to calculate. What given? Kg. From the units we can see that a mass is equal to 75 kg and velocity is 2 meter per second. So P is equal to mass into velocity. P is equal to 75 into 2, 150 kilogram meter per second. So like this way we can calculate the momentum.